What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Case Digital. My name is Zach. In today's video, we're answering the question of how to split a string using delimiters in Python. So without further ado, let's hop right in and start coding. So splitting off a delimiter in Python is actually really easy. You can basically use one function, and I'm going to print out. So we'll do print so we can show you the result. And then I'll say test dot. Now, the function that's going to do this for us is called split, ironically, right? So I can split, and now this is the part where I give it the delimiter. So for example, in the test variable, let's essentially split off of the delimiter of just the colon and what that might look like. So if we do that, all we have to do is pass in our delimiter right there. Now the delimiter is basically the point where you tell your string, like say when you get to this point where you see this character or substring, because it can be one or more characters. When you see this, I want you then to split that in half and don't include those in the results. And so if we run this, what you'll see is it should give us two values that it's going to give out. And what this does, what the split function actually does as well, as I forgot to mention, is it doesn't give you two strings. It gives you a list of strings based off of what you split on. So if I run this, you'll see that I now have a list of strings, and there is no, that delimiter is not in either of the two different strings. It's just completely been essentially removed, right? But we're left with the results of what's in between it. Now, what's changed this to say now? If I change this to the substring, we can split off of this as a delimiter, and if I run this again, you'll see that I'll get this substring and we'll get this substring. And so the now colon has been removed. Now let's try this for test 2. What happens if I want to say split off of commas? Well, just like it did in the previous example, we should basically get all the stuff in between the commas, which in our case, there should be 4 values within our list. So if I run this, you'll see the first one is the same as it was before, and then just like that, we have 4 values in our list. Now, what happens if you don't pass anything in the split function? Well, I just want to show you this because this can become really handy, is if we don't pass anything in, we just run split just like that, and we run it. In this case, nothing happens. We get a list of one string. So the split function will always return a list, regardless if it's not splitting on everything. In this case, it's saying that, hey, I didn't find anything, so I'm not going to split off of it. Now, that's in this case where there are no spaces, hint, hint. So let's change this to do back to tests where there are some spaces. Now, if I run this, what you'll see is the default token or the default delimiter that you will split on is a space, is that white space character of just a single space. So for example, and I can show you it's a single space because if I run this and rerun it, you'll see, oh, well, actually it's just going to remove white space. First, I thought it was off of a single character, but it's just off of white space in general. So this counts as one removal. So, and this and this are basically equal in the eyes of this split function. So we're left with basically everything that was in between these white space characters, and that's that function. So that's how you can split off a delimiter. Basically, put in whatever it is of whatever you want. It can be a single character. It can be a single character. It can be a substring. It doesn't even. You can even just say I want to split off white space and just do the split by itself. Granted, if I did just do I want to split off a single space, you will see that in this case I do end up with an empty string, what is right in between these two spaces. But essentially, that's how you split a string using a delimiter. And if you want to get those strings, all you have to do, like if you want to get the values of those, you could essentially go through a for loop and use that. Or you can also do, like, you could assign each value if you know what it's going to be to a variable. So for example, I can say an example of that will be if I do this, I can say val1, val2, val3, val4 is equal to that. Now, I would only use this if you know that there's going to be n number of variables that you want to use. For example, we know there's going to be 4, or there should be 4, so we're going to put 4 here. And if you don't know, or for example, you're not sure, you could always wrap this in a try except block, and then it will help catch that and throw an error if it's wrong. But essentially, if I run this, I can then just print out val1, just print all these, and those should be the single characters. Oops. And just like that, pull that up a little bit, you'll see that val1 got assigned act, val2 got assigned listen, learn, and code. So essentially, just like that, that's how you can split a string using a delimiter in Python. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep on programming.